Right now, the tower cam on top of our studios of Fox 4 showing those beautiful pinks and peaches that we see in the morning time. And it is absolutely gorgeous to look at, but a little sticky when you step outside here this morning. The humidity has increased, and boy, the heat has returned. Yesterday, we hit 94 degrees, and we're going to get even hotter here today. We do have a couple of showers and thunderstorms north, but right now, our coastline is dry. So is the East Coast, and these little thunderstorms out over the warmer Gulf waters. But it is the first time here in a couple of days that we've seen any activity around the state. So while we're dry now, the evening commute, we could see a little bit of rainfall. We need it. We are almost 4 inches behind year to date for Fort Myers, and even in the month of May, we're about 3/4 of an inch behind. We're patiently waiting for the start of our rainy season, which typically happens around May the 15th. Now, this morning, when you open the door and step out, you'll notice it's sticky. Our dew point values are near 70, and they're going to settle in there or maybe even climb just a little bit. And that puts us right here, humid on our muggy meter, and it's going to be helping to fuel those showers and thunderstorms over the next couple of days. Our temperatures, when you step outside, no upper 60s. We are warming. 70 Arcadia, 70 in Palmdale, with 75 from the Cape all the way down towards Naples, where we're just a little bit warmer. And you can see this is a 2 to 3 degree jump compared to this time yesterday. Now the winds will continue to increase here today. We'll see them near 10, but they're going to be out of the east. And what few showers and thunderstorms do develop today are going to be pushed along our coastline. Look at the forecast high, 95 degrees. So how does that stack up to where we've been so far this year? Well, yesterday I mentioned we hit 94. We also hit that on April the 5th. So if we hit that mark of 95, not only will it be the hottest day of the year, it'll tie the record going back to 2012. So you want to buy some AC, drink plenty of water. If you got to be outside later on today, we will see just a little wet weather possible to help cool us off. Now across the country, old stationary front going to get a subtle push to the south for us today, and that's going to help enhance the showers and thunderstorm activity, especially north for Tampa and along the Panhandle. And some pretty active weather there for Colorado and back towards Arkansas. As we snapshot our next couple of days here, you can see the chance of rain really higher, I-4 up towards I-10, but we can't rule out the chance of a shower here today. We saw very few yesterday afternoon inland, and then on Friday we'll keep a scattered rain chance in as the atmosphere is just struggling. It's trying to get into this rainy season pattern, and what's a little frustrating about forecasting this time of year is one day the switch goes off and we'll just see the explosion of showers and thunderstorms, but we're starting to trend in that direction. Let's break down what we can expect here for today. Lunchtime, you can see all of Southwest Florida is dry, but we are guaranteed to be hot. And then by 4 or 5 o'clock, that's where we're going to see a couple of showers. I think the highest chance of rain today is going to be north of the Peace River. That's just where we have more of the dynamics that are going to help support that. You can see at the top of the screen there, up around Tampa and Lake Placid. And the storm's rather isolated. This is 3 computer model runs now in a row where the rain chance has actually dropped a little bit for Thursday and Friday. Nonetheless, we'll stay hot with a few storms possible, and we're going to keep that scattered rain chance in all the way through Mother's Day into the middle parts of next week, as our afternoon highs will settle in near 90. And notice those overnight lows. They don't move much. We'll be sitting there in the low 70s.